The latest iOS and macOS updates brought so many impressive changes that people absolutely loved, from system-wide visual refinements to massive performance boosts. But there's one app that often goes unnoticed in all the excitement: Apple Notes. And honestly, if you're still just using Notes to jot down a grocery list or a quick idea, you're using it wrong. It has evolved into such a feature-packed hub that it can entirely change the way you organize your life. So, why not explore them? In this video, we're diving deep to reveal some truly amazing Apple Notes use cases that will completely transform how you've been using it until now. First tip: don't use Apple Notes just as a text editor. Instead, make it a place where you can basically save anything. For instance, if you're watching a video on YouTube, you can share it directly to the Notes app, and it pops up as a link with a beautiful mini player built right in. That means you can watch the video right inside the note without ever leaving the app. This functionality works flawlessly on a Mac too. You simply grab the address bar from your browser and drop it into your note. And this works with virtually any website. Whatever's open in your browser, you can pull it straight into Apple Notes as a clean, visually rich preview, far better than just a boring blue link. Oh, and that fancy drag and drop move with the address bar. It works beautifully on iPhone and iPad as well. But wait, it gets even more interesting. If you first highlight a section of text on a web page before using the share function to send it to Notes, it drops in the link together with the highlighted text attached as a neat little quote. Even better, if you tap that link inside the note, Safari automatically jumps to the specific text you highlighted on the page. How cool is that for research? Moving beyond web content, this drag-and-drop flexibility applies to files too. You can drag and drop a folder from your Mac's Finder, and you'll get a live link to that specific folder, which makes your project notes instantly actionable. Drop in a video file, and it's saved directly into the note. The same goes for audio. Just drop a file in and play it back right there. Even more impressively, you can now record audio directly into a note. And if that audio happens to be speech, like a lecture or a meeting, Notes automatically generates a complete transcript of what was said. And the integration keeps going. However, moving from the convenience of drag and drop, let's look at how document handling works seamlessly. On your MacBook, when you preview a PDF right inside your note, you can still scroll through the pages inline and use thumbnails to quickly jump through the document. The power of annotation is still fully there. On both your Mac and iPhone, you can use markup tools to sign documents, highlight text, add shapes, or type text boxes directly onto the PDF. For iPhone users, the ability to quickly scan a document and then immediately sign or fill it out with these tools makes it incredibly powerful. And the intelligent features still apply. On your Mac, you can type out an equation like 150 divided by 3, or a conversion like 25 miles to kilometer, and Notes will calculate the answer for you, all from the keyboard. Now, let's talk about the amazing new Apple Intelligence features built right into Notes. You can now use AI to proofread your notes, checking for grammar and spelling errors with a simple tap, and then offering suggestions to refine your language. You can have the AI instantly rewrite text in a different style, perhaps making it more professional or more friendly. Even more beneficial is the ability to quickly format a note, or crucially, summarize a lengthy one. If you have pages of meeting minutes, the AI can instantly condense it into a few bullet points. This also extends to audio, as you can now record phone calls, and the AI will transcribe and summarize the conversation right there in the note. For a bit more fun and creativity, you can use the image playground to generate original, delightful images right inside a note. So for those moments when you're multitasking and don't want to break your flow, there's a feature that's an absolute lifesaver. Instead of manually navigating to the app, we can just use the Quick Note feature. By simply swiping up a note from either the bottom left or bottom right corner, whichever you set in your settings, it instantly throws up a new note. If you do this while you're on a website, it automatically throws in the website you're on, either as a link or that rich quote preview we talked about. It is the fastest way to capture context and an idea, all in one seamless move. And speaking of capturing sensitive information, you might be keeping some private data in notes, like passwords or bank documents. For your most secret notes, you can now easily lock them up with either your device's Touch ID or Face ID. Or if you prefer, you can use a completely new, separate password. This means that even if people know your device passcode, they won't be able to peek at that cheeky content, which gives you an extra layer of privacy and security. Continuing on the theme of organization, imagine you need to digitize a receipt or even just a whiteboard sketch. You can scan a document or a photo directly to incorporate it into a note, transforming a physical item into a digital record. The app uses the camera to intelligently detect the document's edges, crop it, and enhance the image. While Notes is great for centralizing everything, sometimes you might need to send a copy of a note elsewhere for a different purpose or for archiving. You have the flexibility to send a copy of a note to another app completely. For example, you could send a final note to a file service such as Google Drive or Dropbox to store it as a separate clean text file or a PDF. This ensures your data is not only organized, but also portable across different platforms when you need it to be. So, Apple Notes is no longer just a simple text app. It's a productivity hub, a research tool, and an AI-powered assistant all rolled into one. Stop underestimating it and start using it to its full potential. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching.